If you know me, you know I do not like working out, but I do have a pretty decent little gym at the house. So I decided to buy this squat rack I found on Facebook Marketplace over the weekend. And this morning I said, I bought that thing. I paid a couple $100 for it. Came with a bench and a rack and some plate weights and stuff like that. So I do bench. I throw in 95 pounds because I haven't done it since I was 18, so a few years. And this morning, after I did the bench, I did some curls, and then I put, well, you can see how little is on there. It's a 25 and a 15 plus the bar. So whatever that equals, maybe 130 or something. And I did one set of squats, and then I couldn't walk for an hour. Getting old sucks. So, hey, don't forget, my name's Daniel. I'm with Better Lending Team. If you need to buy, sell, or refi, please give me a call, 407-480-1059. And before you go squatting, make sure you don't put too much on the first time. Have a great day.